Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, now today we are going to learn common English idioms and phrases with their meaning. Hello friends, see the idioms and phrases. Above board, honest, open, ad-lib, improvise, interpolate. After all, in spite of the situation, nevertheless, against the grain, contrary to someone's feelings, principles, all along, all the time, all ears, eager to listen, all of a sudden, no difference, all thumbs, clumsy, apple of one's eye, very dear, precious, apple of discord, subject of envy or quarrel. As a rule, generally, usually, as far as I know, if I have correct information, as far as I am concerned, in my opinion, as for me, or as to me, in my opinion, as well, also too, at first sight, from the first glance, at once, at first glance, at odds with, in disagreement with, at random, at this time, backseat driver, a passenger who tells you how to drive. Ballpark figure, approximate estimate in figures. Bark at the moon, do a useless thing, waste time. Bark up the wrong tree, accuse or pursue the wrong person, misdirect one's effort. Be about to, ready, be all in, be extremely tired, be back on one's feet, healthy again, or better financially, beat around the bush, avoid giving a clear, definite answer, be behind the times, be old-fashioned, outdated, be beside oneself, be very upset, nervous, worried, be better off, be in a better situation financially, be broke, have no money at all, be penniless, bankrupt, be hard on something or someone, treat roughly, be high on one's list, be one of the most important things, be in charge of something, be responsible for, be in good health, be healthy, be in poor health, be not healthy, be in good shape, be physically fit, in good condition, be in bad shape, be in bad state, in bad condition, be in the rate, be in debt, be on or at the point of something, be on the verge of something, be close to doing something, be out of date, be outdated, be out of sorts, be in bad temper, be pressed for time, for money, not to have enough time, money, be the blame, be responsible for a mistake, for something wrong, be touch and go, risky, dangerous, uncertain of the result, be up and around or about, able to be out of bed after an illness, be up to one's years in work, be very busy, beat around about the bush, avoid giving a clear or definite answer, beat one's brains out, make great efforts, often unsuccessfully, before long, soon, big shot, important person, bite off more than one can chew, try to do more than one can, bite the bullet, accept painful but necessary action, bite the dust, be killed, die, suffer defeat, bite the hand that feeds one, repay kindness with evil, black sheep, a good for nothing member of the family, blind date, a meeting between a man and a woman who have never met before, arranged by their friends, blow it, lose the chance, bottom line, main result, main factor, break someone's heart, hurt deeply, break the ice, overcome awkwardness, a shyness, break the news to someone, tell important news, bring home the bacon, earn the living for the family, by all means, definitely, certainly, by heart, by memorizing, by hook or by crook, by any possible means, by oneself or by myself, by himself, etc., alone, on one's own. By the way, incidentally, call a halt to something, terminate, stop something, call a spade, use plain direct words, call it a day, consider work finished for the day, call the shots, give orders, be in control of something, call the tune, give orders, be the most important person in some situation, carry weight, be important, castles in the air, daydreaming about success, catch someone's eye, attract attention, catch one's breath, stop and rest, catch someone off guard, catch someone unprepared, catch someone red-handed, find someone in the act of doing wrong, close call, a narrow escape, a bad thing that almost happened, come to one's senses, act normally and reasonably again, come true, become reality, cross one's mind, occur to someone, do one's best, try very hard, do one's bit, do what's needed, do someone good, be good for someone, do something behind someone's back, do harmful things secretively, down to earth, practical, draw the line, set a limit, impose a restriction, duty calls, must fulfill obligations, eat one's words, take back one's words. Every now and then, occasionally, every other, every second one, fall in love with, begin to love, fall out of love, stop loving, false alarm, untrue signal, untrue rumor, a far cry from something not nearly as good, feel it in one's bones, expect something bad to happen, feel like doing something, want to do, be inclined to do something, few and far between, rare, scarce, find fault with someone or something, criticize, complain about. First things first, important things come before others. Fly off the handle, get angry, follow in someone's footsteps, do the same thing, foot the bill, pay the bill, for good, forever, for the time being, for now, at this time, frame of mind, mental state, from now on, now and in the future, from the word go, from the very beginning, get a grip on oneself, take control of one's feelings, get carried away, get too excited and enthusiastic about something, get cold feet, be afraid to do something, get even with someone, have one's revenge, get in touch with someone, contact someone, get to the bottom of something, know deeply, get to the point, speak directly about the subject, come to the point, give me a break, stop it, enough, give someone a hand, help someone, go back on one's word, break a promise, go from bad to worse, become much worse, go to pieces, get very upset, fall apart, go with the flow, lead a quiet life, have a ball, have a good time, have a bone to pick with someone, complain or discuss something unpleasant, have a sweet tooth, love eating sweet things, have a word with someone, talk to someone, have no business doing something, have no right to do something, have one's hands full, be very busy, hit the nail on the head, say exactly the right thing, hold one's tongue, keep silent, refrain from speaking, ill at ease, uncomfortable, in advance, well before, in cold blood, mercilessly, in fact, actually, in reality, in hot water, in trouble, in a difficult situation, in someone's shoes, in another person's position, in the long run, in the end, in the same boat, in the same situation, in the clear, free from blame. It goes without saying, should be clear without words. Jump at the opportunity, accept the opportunity eagerly. Just as soon, prefer, would rather. Just in case, to be on the safe side, keep a straight face, try not to laugh, keep company, accompany, keep in mind, bear in mind, consider, remember, keep one's word, fulfill a promise, keep someone posted, Inform someone. Keep one's fingers crossed. Hope that nothing will go wrong. Kill time. Fill time. Spend empty time. Know the ropes. Be very familiar with some business. Lay one's cards on the table. Be frank and open. Lay one's life on the line. Put oneself in a dangerous situation. Lead a dog's life. Live in misery. Leave word. Leave a message. Let go of something. Release the hold. Let one's hair down. Be relaxed and informal with other people. Let someone know. Inform someone. Like father, like son. Be like one's parent in something. Little by little, step by step, bit by bit, gradually. Lose one's temper, become angry. Lose one's way, get lost. Lose track of someone, not to know where someone is. Lucky break, a lucky chance. Make a living, earn money to provide for life. Make allowances for something. Take into consideration when judging. Make a point of. Be sure to do something intentionally. Make friends. Become friends. Make fun of someone or something. Laugh at. Joke about. Make room for someone. Allow space for someone. Make up one's mind. Decide. Make yourself at home. Be comfortable. Feel at home. Mean well. Have good intentions. Might as well. Maybe it's a good idea. Never mind. Don't worry about it. Now and again. Occasionally. Now and then. Off the cuff. Without preparation. Off the point. Beside the point. Off the record. Not for the public. Unofficially. Once and for all. Decidedly. On credit. Not having to pay cash right away. On edge. Nervous. Irritable. On guard. On the alert. On hand. Available. On one hand or on the one hand. Considering one side of the question. On one's toes. Alert. Attentive. Prepared for difficulties. On purpose. Intentionally. On second thought. After thinking again. On the alert. On guard. On the carpet. Called in by the boss for criticism. Hello friends. Thanks for watching my videos. I am also very thankful for subscription of my channel. Hello friends, if you like this video, please watch it for 5 minutes and put a like and share it to your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Okay friends, goodbye. See you in the next video very soon.